Good morning all. I am Dr. K. Niveta. Welcome you all for the first lecture in online certificate course Sustainable Materials and Technologies organized by the Department of Chemistry, Vivekananda College of Arts and Sciences for Women, Ilayambalayam, Tiruchendur. Today's lecture is about sustainability. Overview of this lecture. First one, concept of sustainability, need and importance of the sustainable future, dimension of sustainability, sustainable energy sources and material recycling. So let me initiate this lecture with environmental pollution and how it can be related to sustainability. Pollution is the very bad condition of the environment both in terms of quantity and quality. In recent decades, a wide range of modern pollutants have emerged. There are some 30,000 chemicals in common use today. Opportunities should be identified and taken to reduce the production of waste and the use of toxic materials to prevent pollution and to conserve and reuse resources. The best way to deal with pollution is to prevent it from being created in the first place. This means finding new efficiencies, doing things smarter and valuing every resource. Understanding how waste is produced and how it can be minimized or even prevented is the first step to reduce waste and protect our environment. In this way, pollution prevention is an essential component of sustainability. So, our responsibility is to utilize our knowledge to take actions that are protective of human health and the environment. Now, coming to sustainability. Sustainability is meeting the needs of the present generation without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. Simply, we can say global well-being for the present and future generations. Next one is origin of sustainability. Brundtland was the first who introduced the concept of sustainable development in the year 1987. He was then the Prime Minister of Norway and Chairman of the World Commission on Environment and Development. It was elaborated for the United Nations in order to warn about the negative environmental consequences of economic development and globalization. It called for a strategy that unites the environment and the development described by the common term sustainable development. So, sustainability is focused on resources, production and lifestyle. Resources means what we have and production means what we make and lifestyle how we are using it. So, sustainable development is a socio-ecological process characterized by the fulfillment of human needs while maintaining the quality of natural environment indefinitely. So, this is the current socio-economic system. that is people, business and the government. Next, what are the primary goals of sustainability is when creating new development, it should minimize the depletion of natural resources. At the same time, it should not produce any hazardous to the environment. It should be environment friendly and eradication of poverty across the world by means of social protection programs like school feeding, targeting food assistance, social insurance, and so on. And the next goal is promotion of good health and well-being. This goal taken into account all the main health priorities like maternal and child health, reproductive health, environmental, and access to quality, safe, effective, and affordable vaccines and medicines. And the next goal is better standard of education and healthcare. This goal seeks to ensure equitable and inclusive quality education and promotion of lifelong learning opportunities. And also, this goal address aspects relating to sanitation, hygiene, drinking water, and the quality and sustainable of water resources across the globe. And the next goal is building a strong infrastructure, sustainable industrialization, and incubating innovation. This goal taken into account three aspects of sustainable development. First one is infrastructure. Yeah, it's very important because it offers the basic framework necessary to smooth running of enterprise and society at large. And the next aspect is industrialization. Industrialization drives up economic development, yield good job opportunities, hence reducing the poverty level. And the last one is innovation. Innovation enhances technological abilities of industrial sectors and triggers the development of innovative skills. And the next goal is enabling access to affordable and clean energy. This goal focuses on developing and expanding renewable energy resources such as sun, wind, hydropower, etc., since they do not emit any greenhouse gases to the atmosphere, and so they are ideal for environment and human health. And the next goal is achieving gender equality. This goal is achieved by improving the education of girls, and thereby percentage of child marriage has decreased rapidly. So these are the primary goals of sustainability. Next, what are the examples of sustainable development? Means wind energy, solar energy, green space, and crop rotation. We will see this briefly about the sustainable energy sources. And the next one, why do we need sustainability? Why? Because we have a finite amount of space. We have a finite amount of space. Our resources have their limits. Resources have their limits. And also, our technology has its limits. Technology also has its limits. That's why sustainability is very important. Next one, we are moving to dimensions of sustainability. Due to the fact that a synergy is sort of the different implication, it has been commonly accepted that sustainable development consists of three dimensions. So totally three dimensions. One is society, and the next one is economy, and the next one is environment. That is social solidarity, environmental responsibility, and economic efficiency. First dimension of sustainability is social solidarity. This means equality of opportunities for people. Equality of opportunities for people involving welfare, quality of life, and sustainable human development. This should liberate individual capacities and fulfill the human needs, thus ending poverty and improving individuals' quality of life, offering a secure life with full rights and liberties in the very long term. So social solidarity means the equality of opportunities for people. And the next dimension of sustainability is environment, that is environmental responsibility. The ability to use natural resources, without undermining the equilibrium and integrity of ecosystem, which reduce the burden on the environment. And the last one is economy, that is economic efficiency. Efficiency of economic and technological activities foster investment and productivity, economic growth, and economic output potential. So these are the three dimensions of sustainability. One is social solidarity, and the next one is environmental responsibility, and the third one is economic efficiency. And how can we achieve sustainability? Sustainability is achieved by means of two ways. One is the technical aspects of the society should be run by those who are experts in the technology, and the second one is the people part run by true democracy. So sustainability is achieved by means of high standard of living for long as long as possible. First one is unit of productions managed by the experts. Next, minimize energy waste and environmental impact. Then balance production with the demands or needs. So sustainability balance the needs of the society with the needs of the ecosystem. It should balance the needs of the society with the needs of the ecosystem. So there should be a balance between the technology production and the ecosystem demand or needs. For further clarification regarding sustainability, please contact Dr. Nivetha at vikas.org. So, sustainable energy sources and materials recycling lecture will be on tomorrow. Thank you, one and all.